Hi, Sam here from Subaru of Puyallup, your stress-free dealership, here to show you how to check the oil level on your Subaru. So first, what I want you to do is pop the hood. Obviously, we're gonna come to the front of the hood, open it up here. Side note with checking your oil, you want your vehicle to be at operating temperature, and then you want to turn it off, let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes so that oil level will settle. Looking under the hood, you're gonna have this yellow ring, which is where you're gonna pull up to check your oil. It's a dipstick. What I want you to do is pull it out. I want you to wipe off all the oil on each side of that dipstick. Make sure it's nice and clean so we can get an accurate reading. We're gonna put that dipstick back into its home. You're gonna pull it back out, and then I want you to check. There is gonna be holes on the dipstick, so that's gonna be at the half, and then this another, we're gonna call it a dimple. That's gonna be at full. So this oil is truly sitting at full. You can see on each side we are true to full. Should your oil not be reading on your dipstick, or should it not be at that second highest dimple, gonna wanna get it topped off. I would start with a quart at a time. So if you're not reading at all on your dipstick, start with a quart, kind of maneuver from there. So operating temp, letting it sit, rechecking over that. So obviously, any questions, Subaru of Puyallup, your stress-free dealership, is here to help you in any way that we can. Give us a phone call, but I think you're gonna be locked and ready to go.